Welcome back to Sal's Garage. Today is going to be a short video on if you're having any O2 sensor issues. This one usually pops up when you have some kind of a issue with the wiring. So in this case, I have a Bosch O2 sensor right over here, and I have an OEM BMW O2 sensor. And these little pins here are slightly bigger than the pins on the non-BMW part. This is just the Bosch part. It's still OEM, but it's not BMW branded. So one thing that can help you is to bend those pins slightly inward. And I'll show you what I mean here. I'm just gonna bend those pins slightly inward. So I'm pushing the bottom ones up, and I'm gonna push the top ones slightly down. Be gentle so you don't break any pins. So here's the finished product. You can see each prong is bent slightly inwards towards each other, and this is going to help with the connection to the plug inside the car. Again, this is if you have the O2 sensor heater issue with these Bosch O2 sensors. I've only had these O2 sensors for less than 6 months, so I find it hard to believe that they're already faulty, especially both sides, bank 1 and bank 2. So I have to do it on both sides here. I'm gonna go ahead and install this back on, and then let's go ahead and see what happens.
Okay, so I have been driving for about 2 weeks now. I am commuting home in traffic on 880, and so far the check engine light is not there anymore. It's actually just smooth. You know, the car drives smoother and idles smoother. Cold starts are smoother. So once we get home, I'm going to read the codes and see if we have any shadow codes popping up. But so far so good. Okay, so I just got home. Let's go ahead and read the error codes here on Beamer Geeks Pro Tool. Well, there you go. So I used to always have these shadow error codes talking about the O2 sensor heater issues, and they would just pop up randomly, and now I don't get them anymore. This EDC code is always going to be there because I have coilovers, but yeah, I'm really happy that I didn't have to buy new O2 sensors. You don't have to buy these super expensive BMW brand. You can just get the Bosch branded ones and then bend those electrical tabs inward just a little bit so that they have full contact, because if they don't, that's how you get those O2 sensor heater issues, and you won't be able to pass smog. It's going to be running a little bit rough on idle, but now that I've done that, it runs really smooth. No more error codes here. Who knew it was as simple as just you know, moving those tabs a little bit. So if you have this issue, give this a try, see if this helps you out. Anyway, please like, comment, subscribe if you found this helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys on the next video. Have a good evening.